Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a theory. This is not a campaign promise. This is already moving. So right now, under President Donald J. Trump, the U.S. Treasury and the IRS are laying the groundwork for one of the biggest quiet wealth transfers or wealth shifts that this country has ever seen heading into 2026. And while most people are distracted, Wall Street already noticed, because Charles Schwab, yes, Charles Schwab and Robinhood, they didn't wait. No, they moved. So here's what's happening. Some families are being positioned to start with $1,000 government-funded investment accounts, stackable with private matching money, while the rest of the country is just arguing about headlines. Now, at the exact same time, the Trump administration is openly discussing $2,000 dividend checks that are tied directly to tariff revenue. And we've already seen the preview with about $1,776 bonus payments to the U.S. military members. But here's the part that nobody's saying out loud. None of this is automatic. No, there is no reminder. There is no second notice. Now, if you don't understand what's coming, if you don't prepare, you don't just miss out. You actually fall behind permanently, because when the system flips, it doesn't reward workers. No, it rewards the owners. Pay very close attention here. It rewards people who acted early. 2026 is the fork in the road. Some families, they're going to be looking back and they're going to realize that they caught it on time. Wonderful. Great news for them, right? Others are going to wonder how they missed something so big. So let me go ahead and show you exactly who wins and why timing is everything. Be sure to hit the like button if you appreciate the videos. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's jump in. So this right here, guys, this is the part that most people keep misunderstanding. Under President Donald J. Trump, this isn't a future promise or some kind of campaign slogan. The machinery is already moving, okay? The U.S. Treasury is structuring money flows. The IRS is preparing the compliance framework, and Wall Street didn't wait for some press conference. Charles Schwab and Robinhood, they acted very early, because this is what institutions do when they see an asymmetric advantage forming. Now, at the exact same time, the U.S. military has already received direct payments. Checks have been cashed, proving that this administration is willing to move very quickly. They're willing to move money straight into Americans' hands when it serves a strategic purpose. Now, this matters, okay? Here's the tension that nobody wants to admit. Systems don't shift loudly, they shift quietly. So while most people are focused elsewhere, systems are shifting. Some families are positioning themselves right now, without fanfare, without the headlines. Others won't realize what happened until years later, and that is when the gap is already locked in. Now, 2026 is not about politics, it's about alignment, government, capital markets, and incentives moving in the same direction, whether you're ready or not. The Trump account might be the most underestimated part of this entire shift. Now, this is rather simple on the surface, but it's massive underneath. Now, for children that are born between 2025 and 2028, the federal government is offering a $1,000 seed investment that's backed by policy under Donald J. Trump, and it's structured by the IRS. Now, this money is not sitting in savings accounts losing to inflation. It's actually tied to the market, to ownership. This is not dependency. This is called equity. And this is a key difference, okay? Now, for the first time, the federal government isn't encouraging people to save scraps. It's actually encouraging families to own a piece of the economic engine itself, starting at birth. But here's the catch that creates the divide. These accounts are not automatic. No enrollment means no account. No account means no compounding. No compounding means no seat at the table. You see the problem here? Now, some families will treat this like noise. Others are going to recognize it for what it is, an early invitation into a system that already rewards those who enter first. This is where the entire thing quietly filters people out. So the Internal Revenue Service is the gatekeeper here. And under the Trump account structure, nothing happens unless you opt in. There's a little bit of paperwork, there is a window, there's a filing window, and there will be zero follow-up if you miss it. Now, that's not cruelty. That's just how large systems work. Now, under President Donald J. Trump's framework, the government is actually offering the opportunity, not the enforcement. The IRS is not opening accounts for you. It's actually not calling parents either. It's not sending reminders. If the form is not filed, mark my words, guys, if the form is not filed in 2026, the account doesn't exist. And if the account doesn't exist, well, the $1,000 doesn't exist either. You see why you need to be paying attention here? So this is why timing becomes destiny. Some families are going to hear about this early. They're going to prepare the paperwork and they're going to lock it in quietly. Others will find out long after the window closes. They're going to wonder how something so impactful passed them by. The government doesn't chase you. Now, if you miss it, they move on, and the system just keeps on rolling forward without you. So what I just explained about the IRS and the IRS forms is the exact same trap that I see retirees falling into every single year. Look, a retiree recently told me that she lost over $1,200 a year and didn't even know it was happening. There was no scam, there was no fraud, just a Medicare plan that quietly cost more than it needed to. She said that money would have covered my groceries for months. And so this is the part that sticks with you, because nothing went wrong. Nobody warned her, nobody reviewed it, the system just kept on moving. And this is exactly why I partner with Chapter, folks. Chapter does one thing extremely well. They review your Medicare coverage line by line, and they fix the wasted money before another year slips away. No pressure, they're not trying to sell you anything you don't need. Just clarity, and it's completely free for the Ron Yates community. Now, most people don't even realize that they're overpaying until it's already gone. So this is why so many people are calling the phone number right there at the bottom of your screen, 909-563-8279, or they're visiting askchapter.org/Ron to have someone actually check for them. Because whether it's a missed IRS form or a missed Medicare review, the system just doesn't remind you twice. It doesn't. Now, here's how you know that this is not theoretical. Charles Schwab and Robinhood didn't issue press releases out of goodwill. They committed real capital, real money. Big firms, both firms actually, publicly announced that they would match the government's $1,000 Trump account contribution, effectively doubling the starting position for families who act. Please, someone tell me that you understand what's happening here. They have just 2x'd it. Can somebody drop a $2,000 down below if you understand what I'm saying here? Wall Street doesn't do that unless the math works. Now, this is institutional validation here. What this means is that major financial players believe that these accounts will be funded, activated, and sustained long enough to matter. They see inflows, they see long-term account holders, and they also see future investors being created at birth. Now, this is huge. This is absolutely huge, guys. If this wasn't serious, Charles Schwab wouldn't touch it. Robinhood wouldn't attach its brand to it. Corporations don't front-run policy unless they're confident that the policy is real. So that's the telltale sign. Kind of like, put your money where your mouth is. So while the public debates whether this is too good to be true, capital is already stacking on top of federal incentives, quietly building momentum that only early participants will benefit from. So this here is where people either lean in or completely tune out, because they underestimate time. Now, according to projections referenced by the White House under Donald J. Trump, a Trump account that's properly funded and left alone doesn't just grow, it compounds aggressively. That's right. So, and it does this not because of some magic returns, but because of time in the market, not timing the market. Big difference. So, a child starting with a $1,000 base, potentially matched by firms like Charles Schwab or Robinhood, they have something that no adult can buy later. Decades. So when money compounds over 20 to 30 years, small inputs turn into outsized outcomes. So this is why age matters more than income here. Families who act early don't need to be wealthy. They just need to be aware. Families who wait can't make up for lost time no matter how much they contribute later. This is not about being rich today. It's about being early enough that compounding does the heavy lifting for you, quietly, relentlessly, year after year. And so now we need to talk about the checks, because this is where people get distracted by the number and they kind of miss the mechanism. Now, under President Donald J. Trump, tariffs have become this central economic lever. The U.S. Treasury has publicly acknowledged that the tariff revenue is approaching $200 billion annually. Now, this is a massive jump from previous years. That creates options. Now, one option is debt reduction. Another one is redistribution. So the Trump administration has openly discussed using the excess revenue to send $2,000 dividend-style checks directly to Americans to stimulate the economy. But here's the key detail. When people hear stimulus, they kind of think relief. But what they should be thinking about is flow, where that money actually ends up after it's spent. Because while consumers feel relief temporarily, owners capture permanent gains. That distinction is everything. Now, here's where we slow this down and we get real honest, because the timing, it only matters if you understand risk. So this $2,000 dividend check that's being discussed under Donald J. Trump, they're tied to tariff revenue. And tariffs are currently facing legal scrutiny. There are active challenges questioning whether parts of the tariff structure fall within executive authority, which means the Supreme Court of the United States could ultimately weigh in. Now, if tariffs are upheld, the U.S. Treasury keeps that revenue stream intact and dividend checks remain on the table. Now, if they are overturned, there's a real possibility that some of that revenue disappears or even has to be refunded, changing the math entirely. Now, that uncertainty is exactly why this is not hype. This is strategy. Check this out. If the checks go out, early movers benefit immediately. If they don't, families who position themselves through ownership and long-term accounts still win. Acting early isn't gambling on one outcome. It's hedging against all of them. So this is the proof point most people brushed past. Under President Donald J. Trump, the U.S. military, they just received direct payments of $1,776 per service member. Now that number, if you didn't notice the numbers, the 1776, that number was not accidental. It was very symbolic, yes, but it was also practical. It showed that this administration is, in fact, willing and able to move money directly to Americans without layers and layers of bureaucracy. And so while those funds came from military housing allocations rather than tariffs, the mechanism matters more than the source. The system worked. The payments landed. No chaos, no delays. This is why this matters to civilians. This wasn't random. It was a signal, a real-world test that proves direct payouts are not just theoretical talking points. They're operational. So once a government proves that it can do something cleanly, it lowers the barrier to doing it again. That's right. So this is where the illusion breaks. When stimulus or dividend checks go out, people feel relief for about, 5 minutes? Then the money gets spent. And once it's spent, it doesn't stay with the consumer, it flows upward to the owners. Now think about where that $2,000 actually goes when it hits the real world, right? What? Groceries at Walmart, packages from Amazon, meals at Chipotle? I don't know, maybe you're a Cheesecake Factory lover, but who wins in that transaction? It's not the worker, it's not the spender, it's the shareholders. This is why ownership in the theme, tying everything together. This is why ownership is the theme. Trump accounts are not about charity. Dividend checks are not about generosity. They're accelerants in a system that already favors owners over consumers. So if you're positioned as an owner, stimulus becomes fuel. And if you're not, well, it becomes a temporary bandage. And so this is the uncomfortable truth that most people never hear about. And it's why acting early matters more than the size of any single check. So I want you to zoom out with me just for a second, okay? Because this is really bigger than any one policy. Think about it, okay? By 2026, the divide won't be political. It will be structural. You're going to have families who understand what was happening, who filed the forms, who opened the accounts, who positioned themselves as owners, and you're going to have families who didn't. Same country, same economy, completely different outcomes. Asset owners will benefit when money flows. Wage earners will feel squeezed, and that's not new. But what is new is the speed at which this divide is forming under Donald J. Trump's current framework. Okay? Trump accounts, dividend discussions, corporate matching, they're all accelerating the same reality. And so this is not about blaming anyone. This is about recognizing the fork in the road while it's still visible. Because once it passes, there's no rewind button. Families who prepared will quietly pull ahead. Families who didn't will feel like the system changed overnight, even though the signs were always there. So let's go ahead and strip out the emotion just for a second, and let's talk about what acting early actually means. Because it's not dramatic and it's not flashy, and some people are kind of like, Ron, what do I need to do? Well, acting early means understanding the rules before the deadline shows up on the calendar. It means knowing that the IRS will require an opt-in process in 2026 and having your paperwork ready instead of scrambling. It means recognizing when firms like Charles Schwab and Robinhood commit matching capital, that window won't stay open forever. Now, most importantly, acting early, it means shifting how you see yourself in the system, not as a spectator waiting to see what happens, and not as a consumer hoping prices come down, but as an owner positioning himself or herself ahead of policy. There's no parade for this. There's no alert on your phone. There's basically nobody from the government is going to remind you twice. Families who act early will do so quietly, methodically, and without approval. And that's usually how real advantages are built, long before they become obvious. Now, if you're ready, let me know. Here's the part where people need to hear plainly, okay? Trump accounts are time boxed. They apply to a specific birth window. Miss it, and there is no retroactive fix. Dividend checks are policy dependent. They rely on tariffs, court rulings, and political priorities that can change. Corporate matching from firms like Charles Schwab and Robinhood, they exist because the opportunity is early, not because it's permanent. Nothing about this is designed to wait for consensus. So under Donald J. Trump, the system is moving toward ownership faster than most people even realize. And once that shift locks in, it doesn't circle back to pick up whoever hesitated. It's not punishment. This is just how the system works. 2026 will, in fact, expose who understood what was happening in real time, and it will also expose who ignored it because it just didn't feel urgent enough yet. Now, some families are going to look back and they're going to see this as the moment that everything changed for them, but others are going to wonder why they never saw it coming. The difference won't be intelligence, it will be timing. Make sure to share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Thank you so much for hitting the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.